Hey guys, it's Alex. So you know I love cheese, more specifically queso, and I've been hearing a lot of hype about Chipotle's new Queso Blanco and how good it is. So you know I have to try to recreate it. All right, let's cook. So to help recreate this recipe, I checked out Chipotle's website. They listed out all 13 real ingredients for their Queso Blanco, and I pretty much have them all. We've got aged Monterey Jack, white cheddar, tomatoes, peppers, onions, garlic. This is some legit queso. All right, we're gonna start with prepping our ingredients. First, I'm gonna mince up a clove of garlic. Next, I'm gonna mince up our onion. Now I'm gonna dice up our tomato. So we're gonna get right into our peppers. I love a little kick in my queso. First up, poblano. A lot of dicing in this recipe. And next is a serrano pepper. This will also give us some good heat. You'll just want to be careful not to touch your eyes during this part. Beautiful. So now for the main event, we're gonna grate the cheese, starting with our aged Monterey Jack. So I actually read online that the dairy used in making the aged Monterey Jack cheese is sourced from small family farms in Wisconsin. You don't even have to go to Wisconsin to get your cheese. Just go to Chipotle. All right, I think we're good on our Monterey Jack. And now, of course, because this is Queso Blanco, we're gonna be using white cheddar. All right, cheddar is looking good. I'm getting hungry now. All right, all of our ingredients are prepped. It's time to make the queso. So I'm gonna start with my pot over medium-low heat. And I'm going to add milk and heavy cream, our garlic, and salt. Give that a mix. All right, it's starting to bubble, so I'm gonna start adding in our cheese. I'm not gonna add it in all at once. I'm making sure all the cheese is melted before I add in the next batch. Ooh. Already getting that melty cheese action. All right, I'm gonna add in the rest of our cheese now. Our cheese is fully melted down into the milk now. Looks really good. I'm gonna move on to our cornstarch slurry. This is gonna help thicken up our queso. So just some cornstarch and water, and I'm gonna whisk this up first, and then pour that right into our cheese mixture. All right, our queso is looking nice and thick. I'm gonna go ahead and add in the rest of our ingredients, and this will continue to thicken. So we've got our tomato, our onion, our poblano pepper, our serrano pepper, and our chipotle powder. So I'm just gonna cook this down for a couple more minutes, and then we'll be ready to go. All right, our queso is looking really good. Oh, smells even better. The peppers and the cheeses are really coming through. All right, the moment of truth. It's super creamy, super smooth, just the right amount of kick. For the quickest way to enjoy Chipotle's new Queso Blanco, get it delivered by using the Chipotle app.
Oh, yes!